to face your death. Listen to the puppets on their wives. Watch out for the burning sky. Every day my next working disease. Pray for bouncing out of the real beauty. You don't know what to pray. Pray for your slowly fade through humanity. Living readiness, the presence of violence can take you there. Because of the rain, you are the Lord to face your test. What's up, destruction? We all know that it's only solution that we can rebuild our own tomorrow. Listen to the words, birds are falling from the sky every day, every day. Pray for, not to know that we are guilty. You don't know what to pray.